Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your CRV hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin, usually on the driver's side near the door sill or dashboard. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct pop sound, which means the primary latch has disengaged. This action will slightly lift the hood, allowing you to proceed to the next step. Now move to the front of your CRV. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this gap, feeling for the secondary safety latch. This latch is designed to prevent the hood from flying open accidentally. It's typically a small lever or tab, often located near the center of the hood's front edge, just above the grille. Once you've located the secondary safety latch, either push it up, pull it towards you, or slide it to the side, depending on your specific CRV model. This action will fully release the hood. Gently lift the hood all the way up. Then, find the prop rod, usually clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay, and insert it into the designated hole to keep the hood securely open. Always double-check that your hood is securely latched before driving to prevent any accidents. A properly closed hood will sit flush with the fenders. If you notice any stiffness, consider lubricating the latches with a silicone spray to maintain smooth operation. For those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Keeping your CRV in top shape and your meals organized makes life easier.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.